coasters inside the boat, and blue paper houses children. I know Monster looks scary, but don't worry, he's not going to swallow us because I talked to the blue fairy today and she granted me a wish. So instead of being swallowed by Monster the whale, we're going to be transported to a magical world called Storybook Land. On the left is the cave he dwells in, and across the way are the houses of the three little pigs. One made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of wolf-proof bricks. Just around the river bench, we'll find ourselves in a quaint English village home to Alice, where one golden afternoon, dressed like this, she chased the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, down, down into Wonderland, where things only became curiouser and curiouser. Storybook Land is full of such fantastic places like the London Park on the right, where Peter Pan and the Darling Children flew off to Neverland with the help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust, where they would never ever have to grow up. Of course, they flew to the second star to the right and straight on till morning, but if we fly somewhere a little closer, we might find ourselves in Agrabah, city of mystery and enchantment, where Aladdin and Jasmine first bumped into each other, and Aladdin not only stole the bread, but also her heart. Now they live happily ever after in the palace of the Sultan. Love shines forever, just like the twinkling lights on the archways above. The same archways of Aladdin and Jasmine flew over sideways and under on their magic carpet ride through a whole new world. Of course, our stories have their love and their light, but they also have their dark places as well. But don't worry, it's just the cave with wonders up ahead, so the genie sleeps waiting to be set free. And legend has it that if you set him free, he'll grant you 3 wishes. So let's make a wish to see if it comes true. At London Park. And beyond that is Arendelle, where Anna and Elsa stood the test of true love. The love of the family, because that's all you need for a happily ever after. But we're not holding you a snowman today, so let's just let it go. Geppetto made a wish upon a star. He wished that his puppet would become a real boy. When Pinocchio saved Geppetto from the belly of Monster the whale, the blue fairy granted that wish. Right, don't forget to stop off at Ocean Street Coast left for a big summer blowout. A little mermaid lives to become part of our world. She took her first steps on land at Prince Eric's castle on the right, where she fell in love and gave up her life under the sea. Saying goodbye to her father's Detroit and her merch sisters who still live in Atlanta on the left today. And while after their story began with the care of furry eggs, so as we approach the dock, please remember to remain seated to gain our